I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bird up there feeding its babies. So, with that, I guess we're out.